So we're going to look at how to play a really easy chord that you can just play in a few seconds. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to play an E minor chord, which is this chord here. So it's a minor chord, it's a sad chord. Major chords are happy. But we're going to play a minor chord. Okay, so how do you play this? Well, it's really easy. Grab your guitar and you're only going to put 2 fingers, not being rude, of the left hand on the guitar. Okay? So you're going to take your index finger, your first finger of the left hand, go under your guitar and pop it on the 2nd fret of the A string. So this string here. Remember, press down like you're pushing a button. Then you're going to take the middle finger of the left hand and do the same thing. 2nd fret of the D string, so directly underneath that string there. Okay, so index on the 2nd fret of the A string and middle on the 2nd fret of the D string. Then you're going to take your thumb of the right hand, pop it on the guitar there, and then after 3 you press down as hard as you can. Here's a little tip: if you get the thumb of the left hand kind of in the middle of the back of the guitar there, so around the middle, so around there, that's it. Then you can drop your hand down and have lots of space down here. Okay, so after 3 you're going to press down hard as you can, 1, 2, 3, and then with your thumb. So there's an E minor chord in a few seconds. Rock.